Thank you. Yes, Mama. The cobalt. That light.
Isaac Newton described the supreme genius and most enigmatic character in this history of science. His three greatest discoveries: the theory of universal gravitation, the nature of white light, and calculus. Thank you.